3 dog breeds that could fight off the king of the jungle. Kangal. This Turkish breed is considered one of the most powerful dogs in terms of bite force. They are primarily used as livestock guardian dogs and are known for their ability to protect animals from predators, including wolves, bears, and big cats like lions. Mastiff, particularly the Tibetan Mastiff, are large, muscular dogs with a protective nature. While they might not be able to defeat a lion outright, their sheer size and defensive instincts make them capable of warding off large predators. Chihuahua. They don't need size, they've got spirit. They might not take down a lion in a physical fight, but who needs muscles when you've got that much sass? So next time you see a Chihuahua, just know, it's not a dog. It's a lion slayer in disguise.